want to get you started using Photoshop just as fast as possible. So the first thing we want to do is bring an image into the stage. Well, we have one there already, so let us now go up to the menu bar, click on File, scroll down to Close, and get rid of that image. Okay, now we want to bring one in. Go back to File, the menu bar, and scroll down to Open, and that brings us to our desktop, and we will scroll down there until we go to the Vanderbilt Water Garden JPEG and hit the Open button. It's a big file, so it'll take a couple of seconds to bring it in. Here's our image. The next thing we want to do is make that file small enough to send it easily over the internet. So let's go back up to the menu bar. We go to Image and scroll down to Image Size. That brings up a panel, and you can see, wow, we have a 35 by 35 inch image, way too big for the internet. So let's clip its wings right here, bring it down to 3 by 3 inches, and you can see down here, constrained proportions. That means we have a, in this case, we have a square, and if you change one, you change the other dimension. We'll hit OK, and that shrinks it way down. Matter of fact, it's too small to use. So on the Mac, we're going to hit Command plus several times until it comes back up to a useful size. On the PC, it's Control plus, and there we have our image. But we're still not done getting our image ready for the internet. The resolution is still way too high. We have to bring that down, but we want to see what the effects of it are. You just don't want to plug in an arbitrary number. So we go up to File, and we scroll down to Save for Web. That brings up a panel of 4 choices, and you can grab the image here and bring it over to a critical spot to see if it's acceptable. And I think it is. The original, you can see here, is over 3 megabytes, and the one we're going to choose is only over 100 kilobytes. Quite a difference. We go down to the bottom here, hit Save, and that brings up a panel, a save panel, and we're going to save it for Web 5, and hit Save again. And there are images now ready for the web. Let's take a look at what else that menu bar can do for us. We've seen what we can do with the File menu. Edit, we'll skip that for a moment. Image, here, if you scroll down to Adjustments, there's a whole level of things you can do from the point of view of color with your image, including brightness and contrast, which you'll find can solve a lot of your image problems. Layers are very important in Photoshop for laying down all kinds of elements, including type, to separate one thing from another. Very important. Let's go to Filters. You can overlay all kinds of artistic effects on your image here. And then finally, Windows, you've got to just explore this to see. You can call up all kinds of functions with the window. So there we are, a lot of functions. You can do an amazing amount of things just with this top bar, the menu bar.